How car tires are made. Car tires are complex products designed to provide traction, stability, and durability for vehicles. They are typically made through a multi-step manufacturing process. Here's an overview of how car tires are made. Now, before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Here we go. Raw materials. In the manufacturing of car tires, the raw materials include natural rubber, synthetic rubber, fabric, typically polyester or nylon, and steel wires. These materials form the foundational components of a tire, and they are carefully selected for their specific properties and qualities. In the mixing process of tire compounds, different chemicals and additives are also used, like sulfur and carbon black, to get the right strength, flexibility, and heat resistance. These raw materials, when combined and processed correctly, result in the creation of a durable and reliable car tire. Compound mixing. The rubber materials are mixed with various chemicals and additives to create a rubber compound with the desired characteristics. This compound may include natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, sulfur, and other additives. The specific blend of materials is a closely guarded trade secret for tire manufacturers. Tire bead construction. The tire bead, an integral part of the tire's structure, is constructed using high-strength steel wires wrapped with brass-coated steel strands. These steel wires are meticulously formed into a hoop-like shape, and they are essential for ensuring a secure connection between the tire and the rim of the wheel. The bead is the component of the tire that locks onto the wheel's rim, helping to maintain proper tire positioning and ensuring the tire remains securely attached to the wheel. This construction ensures that the tire can withstand the forces, pressures, and stresses encountered during vehicle operation, promoting safety and stability on the road. Inner liner application. The inner liner application process involves the careful application of a layer of synthetic rubber to the inside of the tire. This layer, made from a specially designed rubber compound, acts as an essential air barrier within the tire. Its primary function is to maintain and regulate proper tire pressure, preventing air from escaping through the tire's structure. This airtight barrier helps to ensure that the tire maintains the required pressure for optimal performance and safety. The inner liner application is a critical step in tire manufacturing as it contributes to the tire's ability to hold air effectively, ultimately supporting its overall performance and durability on the road. Ply construction. Ply construction in tire manufacturing involves creating the body plies, which form a fundamental part of the tire's structure. This process begins with layers of fabric, typically made of polyester or nylon, that are coated with a specialized rubber compound. These fabric layers, known as plies, are strategically placed and wrapped around the tire's inner liner. The number and orientation of these plies play a crucial role in determining the tire's strength, flexibility, and load-bearing capacity. The rubber-coated fabric plies contribute to the tire's ability to withstand the various forces and pressures experienced while driving. They provide a sturdy foundation that supports the tire's overall integrity and shape, enabling it to carry the weight of the vehicle and maintain its form even under challenging conditions. Ply construction is a meticulous and precise process, ensuring that the tire achieves the desired balance of strength, flexibility, and durability essential for safe and efficient performance on the road. Steel belt construction. Steel belts are added to provide strength and stability to the tire. These belts are made by wrapping steel wires with a layer of brass-coated steel strands, and they are placed between the inner liner and the outer rubber. Tread and sidewall construction. The outer layer of the tire, called the tread, is made from a specialized rubber compound. It features the tread pattern and designs for traction and performance. The sidewalls are also constructed using a different rubber compound. Both the tread and sidewalls are added in separate steps. Building the green tire. The process of building a green tire involves assembling the various components, including the tire beads, inner liner, body plies, steel belts, tread, and sidewalls, onto a tire-building drum in a specific order. The term green tire refers to the tire at this stage, which is essentially an uncured tire that has yet to undergo the final curing or vulcanization process. The assembly is performed with great precision, ensuring that each component is positioned correctly. The inner liner, designed to maintain air pressure, is applied first, followed by the body plies, which provide strength and flexibility. Steel belts, with their added strength and stability, are placed above the body. Finally, the components for the tire's tread and sidewalls are added according to the tire's specific design and intended use. Building the green tire requires careful attention to detail and proper alignment to create a tire structure that will be durable and capable of withstanding the rigors of the road. After this assembly process, the green tire is ready for the crucial vulcanization stage, where heat and pressure will shape and cure the rubber compound, giving the tire its final form and structural integrity. Curing or vulcanization. The green tire, which is essentially an uncured tire, is placed in a curing mold. Heat and pressure are applied to shape the tire and cure the rubber compound. This process is called vulcanization and takes several minutes. It gives the tire its final shape, structure, and durability. Quality control. Quality control in tire manufacturing is a rigorous process implemented to ensure that each tire meets the highest standards of safety, performance, and reliability. This phase involves meticulous inspection and testing at various stages of tire production. Firstly, during the manufacturing process, quality control personnel conduct visual inspections to detect any visible defects or irregularities in the tire's construction. This includes checking for inconsistencies in bead construction, ply alignment, steel belt placement, and overall tire appearance. After the tires are cured, they undergo a series of testing procedures to evaluate their strength, durability, and performance characteristics. These tests may include measuring uniformity, balance, and radial force variation to ensure the tire meets specific tolerances. Furthermore, tire samples from each batch are subject to rigorous laboratory testing to assess properties such as tread wear, traction, grip, and resistance to heat and friction. These tests help verify that the tire meets or exceeds regulatory standards and manufacturer specifications. Final inspection and testing. The final inspection and testing phase in tire manufacturing is the last critical step before tires are approved for distribution to the market. This phase is essential to ensure that each tire meets the manufacturer's strict quality standards, safety regulations, and performance specifications. During final inspection, every tire undergoes a comprehensive visual examination to identify any visible defects, such as blemishes, irregularities in tread patterns, or any issues in the overall tire appearance. Quality control personnel meticulously scrutinize each tire to ensure that it meets the manufacturer's high-quality standards. In addition to visual inspection, a subset of tires from each production batch is subjected to a battery of tests to assess their performance and safety. These tests can include measuring uniformity, balance, and radial force variation, which ensure that the tire is well balanced and uniform in its characteristics. Tread depth and pattern are checked to ensure they meet specifications for traction and durability. Laboratory testing is also conducted to assess various performance properties such as wet and dry grip, resistance to heat, and tread wear. These tests help confirm that the tire complies with safety and quality standards, and that it will perform optimally on the road. Any tire that doesn't meet the established criteria is either reworked to correct the issues or discarded. This rigorous final inspection and testing phase ensures that only high-quality, safe, and reliable tires reach the hands of consumers, thereby maintaining the integrity and reputation of the tire manufacturer. Packaging and distribution. After passing the final inspection and testing phase, the approved tires move on to packaging and distribution. In this stage, the tires are carefully packaged according to their size, type, and destination. Packaging includes fitting the tires into protective wrappings and sometimes adding labeling or branding. The packaged tires are then palletized and prepared for transportation to distribution centers, retailers, or directly to customers. Efficient distribution logistics ensure that the tires reach their intended destinations promptly, enabling them to be available for purchase by consumers and ultimately installed on vehicles for safe and reliable use on the road. The entire process is highly automated and precise to ensure consistency and quality. Tire manufacturers constantly innovate to develop new materials and technologies to improve tire performance, longevity, and environmental sustainability. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative videos.